there is a potential for an 80% increase in the price of Rocket Pool, RPL. The following elucidates the reasons for. The price of Rocket Pool, RPL, experienced a rebound at the $25 level of horizontal support, however, it was unable to surpass a significant diagonal resistance line. The readings of the indicators and the observed price action do not provide sufficient evidence to ascertain the future direction of the trend. Hence, the occurrence of both a breakout and a breakdown is feasible. A breach above the established resistance level has the potential to result in an 80% surge, but a breach below the $25 threshold may result in a 50% decline. On August 9, the price of Rocket Pool, RPL, exhibited a rebound, thereby confirming the horizontal area at $25 as a point of resistance. Notwithstanding the rebound, the asset was unable to surpass a significant diagonal resistance level. The response to this resistance line will ascertain whether the future price movement exhibits a bullish or bearish trajectory. The level of upward momentum exhibited by Rocket Pool bounce is inadequate to overcome the resistance it is now facing. Since April 17, the price of RPL has experienced a decline below a declining resistance line. The validity of the resistance line has been confirmed on multiple occasions, as indicated by the presence of red icons. The line has been recently touched, as evidenced by today's observations. During the course of its trajectory, the stock price of RPL had a decline, reaching a minimum value of $24.46. The subsequent rebound, shown by the green indicator, provided support around the $25 range. The $25 level holds significant importance as it has previously acted as a point of resistance. Following the occurrence of the breakout, it is anticipated that the area will offer assistance. The surge in value occurred along with the announcement of Coinbase Ventures' investment in the Rocket Pool platform, when they acquired RPL tokens directly from the project's team. The platform presently commands approximately 3% of the Ethereum staking market, boasting a stake of nearly 780,000 ETH. In the event that the price surpasses the resistance line, there is a potential for an 80% increase, leading to a subsequent attainment of the subsequent resistance level at $52. Conversely, in the event of rejection and a decline below the threshold of $25, there is potential for a subsequent significant decrease of 50% towards the subsequent support level of $14. The Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, yields inconclusive results. Traders employ the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as a momentum indicator in order to evaluate the potential overbought or oversold conditions of a market, and subsequently make informed decisions regarding the accumulation or sale of an asset. In the event that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, reading above 50 and exhibits an upward trend, it may be inferred that the bulls maintain a favorable position. Conversely, if the RSI reading falls below 50, the opposite holds true. The indicator exhibits a value below 50, however. It is now experiencing an upward trend. As a result, it is unable to ascertain the direction of future trends. Price prediction of RPL, potential for breakout or breakdown? Although the readings on the daily timescale do not yield definitive conclusions, the analysis of the 6-hour chart presents a more optimistic perspective characterized by a positive trend. The primary factor contributing to this phenomenon stems from repetitive strain injury, RSI. The indicator has exhibited a bullish divergence, as indicated by the green line, and has recently surpassed the threshold of 50. A bullish divergence is observed when there is a simultaneous increase in momentum and a reduction in price. This implies that the preceding decline was not valid, and it is typically succeeded by an upward trajectory. The observation that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, currently exceeds 50 provides additional evidence in favor of this potential outcome. To validate the divergence and potentially trigger a rise to $52, it is necessary to observe a breakout from the current trend line. In contrast to the optimistic RPL price forecast, should the price close below the $25 threshold, it would indicate a bearish trend and could result in a significant decline of 50%. Bitcoin price forecast as BTC surges by 2% during a 24-hour period. Is it an opportune moment for investment? The recent increase in Bitcoin's price by 2% over a span of 24 hours has given rise to conjecture on its potential ramifications for investors. With the ongoing evolution of market dynamics, one is prompted to ponder whether the current boom in Bitcoin's value signifies a favorable juncture to contemplate its acquisition. Let us proceed to ascertain. Exploring the prospects of Bitcoin integration, insights from Michael Saylor. During a recent podcast interview, Michael Saylor, the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of MicroStrategy, expounded upon his viewpoint regarding the increasing phenomenon of major corporations adopting and consolidating Bitcoin. Saylor underscored the inescapable nature of third-party and corporate participation inside the Bitcoin ecosystem. The speaker expressed that with the increasing integration of Bitcoin into society, there will be a proliferation of diverse applications, rendering a universally applicable strategy impractical. Saylor delineated three primary justifications for the necessity of caretakers inside the realm of Bitcoin. The user's text lacks the necessary academic tone and structure. It would be more appropriate to. The subject matter at hand pertains to the field of politics. The term natural refers to phenomena or entities that exist or occur in the world without. Saylor recognized, from a political perspective, that some political frameworks may require the dependence on third-party custodians. From a technical perspective, the individual acknowledged the involvement of third-party entities at Layer 3, such as Bank of America and Apple, in facilitating the operational aspects of mobile cryptocurrency transactions. Furthermore, Saylor underscored the notion that certain individuals, such as the elderly or those seeking to safeguard their assets for future generations, may deem it more prudent to delegate the management of their possessions to trusted others. According to Saylor, Bitcoin is expected to incorporate many integration strategies, with the market ultimately determining the most advantageous combination of custodial and self-sovereign ways. The speaker emphasized that there is no need to be apprehensive about the various integration options, as the dynamic nature of the Bitcoin industry will organically choose the most appropriate combination of integration methods. The topic of discussion pertains to the price of Bitcoin. Currently, the prevailing value of Bitcoin is $29,366. With a trading volume of $6.1 billion recorded within the previous 24-hour period. Bitcoin currently holds the highest rank on CoinMarketCap, with a live market value of